Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a quick minute this afternoon to show you how to submit a Blogger post so that it's not password protected and so that I can access it and give it comments and you some real feedback. So what I've done on this site is I've gone to www.blogger.com and I've logged in with my Tip Online account. The next step is to go to Settings, and you'll see my blog address here, katherinesbiotech.blogspot.com. I'm going to click on Copy, and then I'm going to go to the assignment page. So if I go to week 3, I have Biotech Blogger. I'm going to click Submit Assignment, and I'm going to paste my URL, and that will submit it for me. And then you can see that my assignment has been submitted, and that my teacher can access it, and it's not password protected. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I look forward to seeing your posts.